up, guys? Good to have you again. Good to have you again. It's a beautiful Thursday. It's a beautiful day. So let us get into the charts right away. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? You know how we do it every night. I am trading binary options, and the broker I'm using is Pocket Options. So let us get into the charts right away. Guys, mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Tell me, how was your day? How did you spend your day today? Was it nice? Tell me, guys, what you're up to. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? All right. I see you, my friend. Good to have you, Chef Kamesh. Your aura is on time. So let us get into that trading already. Okay, let us see what buyers have for us. Guys, I'm executing this sell trade because I'm anticipating a pullback. The market is just from breaking structure to the upside. So as you know, every after a break of structure, you anticipate a pullback. And our first trade goes well. So I know the night is gonna be good. It's already gonna be a beautiful night. Our first trade has closed in a plus, and the market has continued with its upward movement. So let us see if we can get any other entry. I mean, it's a beautiful day. We have no time to waste. Straight into charts, guys. Tell me, how is your day? How did you spend your day? Did you execute any trades? Did you look at your charts? Izu, I see you. Digai, I see you. Let's move. Okay. Guys, you can see we are in an upward movement. The market is pulled back, and we are executing these buy trades to follow with its original direction, which is upward movement or an uptrend. So let's see. Guys, you know how we do it. My strategy is pure price action. So whenever I'm talking about that trend, you know very well I am a trend follower, and understanding market structure is part of my strategy, because once I get the market turning point, it's easier for me to make a decision to execute either by selling or buying. Natures, good to have you. Good to have you all. Good to have you guys. Continue marking your attendance in the comments. Let us see how these trades go. Nothing. All right. They have all closed in a plus. We have got 3 pluses there, guys. Let me hope you're watching. Like I always tell you, it is easier for you to trade with that trend than going against it. So if you're just starting out to trade, there is no reason why you should be taking pullback trades. I feel like a trader can take pullback trades, but they need you when you have some good market experience. Other than that, if you are just a beginner, it is better to just wait and only execute trades that are really in line with that trend. It is easier, and most of them, they are really going to work out for you. All right, I see you, T-Bird. Letha, good to have you all, guys. Let's move. Right till I can no more. Trevor, good to see you guys. Tell me, guys, how was your trading day? Did you look at your charts today? Thank you, Chef. Guys, tell me, traders in the building, tell me, how was your trading day? Did you look at your charts? My day was really, really good. Anyway, most of my days are always good because I always look on the positive side of life. So most of my days are good. They turn out to be good because I'm highly positive minded. All right, it takes we close some plus there. Let us watch for more entries, guys. This is a trading assembly. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? All right, all right. Dollar Hunter says my day was good. That's nice. It's good. Okay, it is still moving. Side to side. Fistas, good to have you guys. Tell me, how was your day? Good. Sandy, good to have you. Long time. Good to have you again. Guys, you can see from the time we started the stream till now, we have been basically buying because the trend is bullish. So we have been executing most of our trades as buy trades. That's what it means to trade following the trend. And it is always wise for a beginner to do that. Leave pullback trades for people who have some strong experience in the market. But when you spot an opportunity, you can take it. Take it easy. No, tonight we are not taking anything easy. We have to get the bag. Another day, another dollar. So let's move. Let's move. The week is coming to an end. We are not taking anything easy. Okay, so let's move. The real world through eyes. Wow. Okay, good to have you. Good to have you. Teach me one tip before the day ends. I think I've shared that tip already. If you are in a trendy market, follow the trend. Yes, you could be anticipating a pullback, but sometimes you could anticipate a pullback. Like I always tell you guys, when the market breaks structure, you anticipate a pullback. And by breaking structure, I mean the market taking up the previous high or the previous low. So you always anticipate a pullback after such a move, but you can never be sure of the pullback because a pullback can just be a single candle or it can be deeper. So if you are a beginner, you may not have an opportunity to spot such a pullback. It is better to always trade with that trend, and by that I mean you only go with continuations in that trend and don't go against that trend, because most pullback trades, they tend to really go against us. That is really normal. So that is the tip I can give you, Dollar Hunter. But other than that, the other tip I can share with you guys: be consistent. That one is going to shorten your trading journey and seeing results. Thank you, Sandy. I don't know, she gives you everything. Let's see how these close. All right, sellers have given us some good movement here. Last night I need to be the one. It's always nice to have you guys. Tell me, how was your trading day? How did you spend your day basically? It is not only about trading, but if you really consider yourself a trader, I be thinking that you really looked at your charts and you did something for yourself. So tell me, guys, how did you spend your Thursday, or how are you spending your Thursday? At least it's temporary. She gives you everything that I can do. And I know, and I know, and I know. So one last time. There's a way you make trading look easy. Guys, honestly, trading actually is not hard. I don't think trading is hard once you decide to lock in. It only gets hard when you are indisciplined. If you have watched other people like who are really trading actually it is something that you can do. If you've been consistent over time, you get used to looking at the charts, you get used to candle formations, you get used to all those things that whenever you look at the chart, it could take you a few minutes to really get what the market could be going, what could be going on in the charts, and you can easily execute a trade. But only that experience only comes with being consistent. If you look at your charts once in a while, it will never be easy for you. You just have to put in that time and everything gets better, guys. That is basically from my own experience as in my 4 years of trading. That is the best trading skill that I really realize is the best you can have, looking at your charts all the time. Hi Cameron, good to have you. Sandy is asking, Sandy, there is a donation link in the description. That's what you should use. That's what you should use when you are. If you want to take part of the donations, you can use the link in the description. Donation link. That's what you should follow. No risk, no Ferrari. I mean, that's how we do it. Mm-mm. This is a trading assembly. I mean, as you're catching up good vibes, you're free to ask any trading question that you want to know, guys. But for now, let us lock in. Someone comment locked in, because that's how we are going to move tonight. Not actually tonight. That's how we're moving every night. We are so locked in. So let's see. All right, someone is really asking something nice. Is it good to practice using back-tested results or pre-custom demo balance or minimum capital? Everything that you have asked Dollar Hunter, it is true. It is right for a trader. If you have time, you have to backtest your strategy to see if it will work out. You have to backtest your strategy always. I mean, that's how actually you start getting confidence, a little confidence in your strategy. You also have to test your strategy on a real market, because that's when now you get to experience the real market with the real market psychology. Yeah, so everything you're asked, you are supposed to do it, or you can do it based on how better you want to get at your trading. With back testing, it is all about practicing to get better in your trading. Mm-mm. Okay, let's move. Mm-mm. Let's move. Okay, we get some pluses here, guys. The night is already moving well. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Mm-mm. Always the markets are crazy, guys, but the key is to lock in, because you either get the bag, no risk, no gain. You either get the bag or you go home. So let's see how it goes. Okay, let us increase and see how it goes. Yeah, it's always good to have you guys. I see ya. I see ya. AR3, I see you. Good to have you. But I can taste you on the tip of my tongue. Sellers are doing some good movement here, guys. Are you seeing these candles? Let us cruise with them. Let us cruise with them. Beautiful move here. I don't want to hear sad songs anymore. All we want to hear love songs. I found my heart up in this place tonight. Don't want to sing mad songs anymore. Only want to sing your song. 'Cause your songs got me feeling like I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. Yeah, it was some good move, guys. For real, for real. I'm gonna grab the hit and run. No risk, so I think I'm rolling. When I kiss your lips in my heart. Guys, you can see here, like I always tell you, following the trend, it's always easier, because most of the times your trades work out. So let us see, structure is still bearish. Let us see if we can get any other move. You know, in trading, you do not have to rush, especially if you're doing personal trading. You have nothing to prove. It is always you, your capital, and your strategy against the market. So to wait for entries and trades to work, to wait for trades and entries in your direction and in line with your strategy, will always work out for you. If you're doing personal trading, I mean, you have nothing to prove to anyone. So be disciplined and wait for entries. We have taken some L's there, and it's so let us see. Let us wait for another move. Guys, once you have got the strategy and you have got everything, the next step is, please try not to hesitate. You don't have to hesitate to execute also. Once you really anticipate, because no one has control over the market and no one is 100% sure of the market where it's going to go. So never hesitate to execute. Just make sure your risk is manageable, that you will not take, your account will not get wiped out. Yeah, but you have to really execute. You have to take on the risk. Trading is risky, and you have to have a mindset that you have to take on the risk. No risk, no gain. You guys are always telling me that. Another day, another dollar. So let's see how our buys close here. I say, if you come a little closer. All right. Okay, I really saw some question, but it has really moved so fast that it has. but it's always good to have you. My strategy is simple, it's pure price action, and I really do time frame market analysis, and that involves looking at different time frames. So by the time I come on my execution time frame, at least I already have a picture of what the market could be, or the direction the market could be heading to. Oh my. Mm-mm-mm. Hey, this one is already going against us. Oh my gosh. Crazy. Can't live without you. I want you to stay. Ooh, we are having some good structure here, guys. Like, why are you doing this to me? Mm. Mm. Me one little saving. Okay, I saw someone asking about the spirit of hesitation. No, I really understand where you're coming from. I really understand where you're coming from, guy, because I've been there. I know hesitation. You can really see a move, it goes in your direction, and you hesitate to take on, and actually you even feel bad. I feel like actually as a trader, the worst experience is not more of making a loss. The worst experience is when you spotted a movement in the market and you could anticipate it's going in your direction. You didn't take the trade, it goes in your direction. Nothing can heal you from such pain. Guys, do you agree with me? Isn't that the worst experience in trading? It is, I feel like it is worse than not even taking an L. What do you think? As we are continuing, as we continue to cruise with the uptrend. Like, okay, like guys, I'm saying, okay, to me, from my experience, the worst trading experience for me would be looking at the market and you really hesitate to execute that trade because you fear, because of fear of, I mean, execution. It always happens and you hesitate, then it goes in your direction. I feel like, and you start thinking, oh my, this trade was going to work out for me, now I've missed out on this profit. I feel that is more painful to me than actually taking an actual loss in the market, because the whole time you're going to keep on feeling guilty and blaming yourself and knowing and judging yourself, knowing that it could have worked for you but you really hesitated. That's why here on this trading assembly we do not hesitate to execute, because we clearly know very well that the market is, we have no control over the market. Once we feel everything is in line with our confluences, we have 3 confirmations already, we are going to execute. I'm using the indicator with my own setting. Oh my god, with default settings. Yeah. Fear is the worst. I know. By the way, guys, If you're really following your strategy and all that, believe me, the time you take an L, you feel bad, but at some point, it will not be too bad than when you didn't execute a trade at all. Because think about your time you really put in into trading. Think about all the moments you are there looking at the chart, waiting for the movement. Then you get an opportunity and you do not execute. Why? So all that time will really pain you, will make you feel guilty, and it will really not leave your psychology the same. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Satire Life, good to have you. Such a beautiful name. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Yeah, fear is really our biggest enemy, and actually, whenever you really fear the market, you're also going to be doubting your strategy, and you find yourself executing trades that are really against you. Fear of missing out, fear of execution, all those things, guys. But the best way to avoid or to get over that is remaining consistent. Once you're consistently looking at your charts, guys, you stop fearing, because now at that moment you used to looking at the candles, and now you can tell the candlestick formation and which one is going to work for you, which one is just a manipulation, a fake out, all those things. Mm. Dovax, good to have you. Good to have you. Siraj Khan, good to see you all, guys. Hey, Blue Pay, see you. I see you all, guys. Oh my, Chol, I see you. Says Mark. Good to have you all, guys. Good to have you all, guys. Let us lock in. Let us lock in and move. All right, we're getting movement in our direction. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. We've been all night. Traders in the building, tell me, how was your trading day? How did you spend your Thursday? Tell me. Did it move well for you? How were the markets for you? Mm. Nice being here. I mean, nice to have you two guys. That's how we do it. This is a trading assembly, always here, 8 p.m. UK time. When you started as a beginner, was it easy for you? Actually, by the way, best traders are beginners because you know less about the market. I mean, you have not made enough losses for your psychology to be damaged. You'll be so excited and so disciplined and try to follow everything. You know, actually, discipline, losing your discipline in a market comes when you have made some losses, which is also rare. I mean, losses are part of the game, but if they are too much, they can really damage your psychology, and it gets so hard to execute. So I feel, actually, I could say I was profitable when I was a beginner until things started going against me. I remember very well my first trading days, my first trading weeks. That time I was so disciplined, and believe me, I was locking in profits. Things start getting crazy when you start switching strategies. You try to When you start trying out things and they are failing, that's when they get worse. So I feel like beginners sometimes they are more profitable, but once you start experiencing other strategies, making losses, that's when you get really, it gets crazy and it keeps getting crazier until you do realize and assess yourself. You're either giving up on trading or you really get a strategy and you stick to it and be consistent. Dead and proved and trusted. So, guys, do you agree with me? Were you also profitable when you were beginners? Me, I have to tell you that I was profitable. I was really, really profitable to the best of my knowledge, and I was only risking according to my account size. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't taking on so much risk. I was just taking risk enough with my account size. Just no beginners, they be very disciplined, but you need to make like about to take in like a few huge losses. That's when everything changes. You haven't started live. Why? Not at all. If you're not profitable, that means you're not a beginner anymore. I'm talking about the first time you really open your trading account, your real trading account. You have a strategy already in line, then you start executing. You're scared. Like, honestly, that fear is always there for any trader. I know that experience of executing a trade and you pray for it to work out for you. Your hands sweat. Your hands sweat. I know all of that experience, but guys, to get over it, it is being consistent, looking at your market always. I mean, talk to other traders. Come here, mark your attendance on this trading assembly, because the more you are in spaces with fellow traders, the more actually trading gets easier for you. You start realizing that the things that are happening to you, they are very normal. They happen to also other traders, and you get ways of going about them. Because in trading, oh my God, guys, we take an L there. Oh my, we get taken out. Yeah, so guys, with trading, whatever happens to you, once we are talking to different traders, you do realize those are normal things, and they can tell you ways of going around them, and it gets better. Yeah. Guys, my strategy is pure price action. It's what I'm using. Yeah, I'm using. I was consistently profitable for 1 week. Oh, that is nice. Which asset were you trading? Why that is also true. A strategy can work today and the next day it blow your account. That is true also. But it all comes from, it is not always the strategy. It is you and how you're risking and how much risk you're putting on your account, guys. Baby, come closer. You have to risk according to your account size. That's how you survive and protect your capital. Because you could always have a good strategy, but if you really not into protecting your capital, my expiration time is 15 seconds, guys. And I am trading binary options, guys. I am trading binary options. I'm on gold OTC chart. Yeah. All right, we are having some movement here. Oh my, Ivan, sorry about that. I remember yesterday you were very happy. What happened today? How did you wipe out your capture? Tell me. How did you wipe up your capture? What happened today? I'm using the indicator, guys, with its default settings. Yeah, let's move. Oh my. Guys, I was so locked in. I really didn't. The previous song that was playing, really, I love it. But let us keep moving. Despite the loss, I've learned a lot. Actually, whenever you take an L, you really have to find out what caused it. And someone really here asked me what is my worst trading experience, and I told you guys that day when I was buying and selling at the same time, and it was because I was already emotional. Then I got into the market. Things got worse. I could be buying because I'm seeing a green candle opening. But remember, with candle opening, a candle could be opening when it is green, but in actual sense, it closes when it is red. So me, I would just be seeing a candle opening and it is red, I sell. But sometimes it doesn't work like, actually in trading, it doesn't work like that. So in short, I ended up blowing my account and I cried, wept. But that was my last day to have the worst trading experience as a trader. That's when I knew I need to be serious in my trading, because I had no option of giving up. I love trading so much and I had invested a lot of my time in it. I couldn't just give up and walk away. I couldn't just walk away just like that. Mm-mm. And from that time, honestly, my trading changed so much and my consistency improved. I gave it time. I locked in for real from that time. Princess Malika. Cry me a river. Yeah, you have to lock in, guys. If you're serious about trading, you have to lock in. So someone comment locked in for life. And nothing else telling me. Yeah, we are locked in for life. We are locked in for life. That's how it should be. And it's always nice to have you guys. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? You're free to ask any trading question. I'm here. And you're also free to share your experience. Guys, tell me how was your day? And actually, you're always asking me about the worst trading experience I've had. Can also someone share with me their worst trading experience they have had? Not just the experience where you take a loss. There is that experience that breaks you deeply, and you feel like you should give up, but at the same time you be like, it is my last time to be like this. I should actually get serious if I want it to work out. Someone share with me their experience. All right, let us see how this goes. If you're new here, good to have you. Good to have you. What's the only thing? If you're new, good to have you. Good to have you here. I see you all. So let's move. We are already, we know we got some haters. Hey, even though we never break us. Baby, Let us see what this has to offer us here, guys. Let us see how it closes. Once we stick together, what's the only thing I'm thinking of? Soldier. When we also cry when we wash out. Yeah, I mean, I believe there isn't any trader that hasn't really wiped some tears when it comes to trading. But that is all part of the experience and part of the journey. So, guys, you tell me your worst trading experience, how it was. Hey, you gonna. What's the only thing I'm thinking of? In the morning when I'm waking up. You don't have to tell me that I'm crazy. Oh, you know you'll always be my fancy love. Rod, good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you. Jimmy, I see you. Delphine, good to have you. Paid 9 TLS for better education. I mean, we are always here sharing tips as traders, and that's how we do it. That's how we do it. Thinking of. Guys, I'm using the indicator with its default settings. Maurice, good to have you. You're learning the charts. That is nice. That is nice. Continue locking in because that's how it gets better. Just lock in on your charts, guys. That's how it gets better. Zero excuses, just locking in.
You already know she back. She always next to mine. Don't worry. I don't make it up that later. Yeah, you don't know. It's the international lovers rock. Make sure that the love don't stop.
Right about there.
I give you everything you want, but all you talk about is everything I don't.
Oh my, we are having. Let us see how this goes, but it's already moving against us, guys. Let us see. Okay. Oh my god, we got taken out. Crazy. Okay, I hear you, Khan. I just to make guys, you know how we do it every night. My strategy is pure price action. So let us lock in our profit and get into the donations. I know that is your best part. So if you're ready for donations, let me see you comment ready. Let me see you comment locked in because we are ready for our fast. All right, I see you guys. I love it when we fight just to make up. Guys, donation I be trading for. Most of you guys can reach out to me and you want me to trade for you. So through donations, that's when it happens. And if you want to be part, there's a link in the description down there, donation link. You can use that to take you to the donation page. Reminder, it's not financial investment. It is purely for trading and learning purposes. So let us lock in and look for an entry for our first attempt. Oh my, this really played a lot on our entry and we get taken out. But you know the rule? If I take an L on the first attempt, I refund and try again. So let us try again and see. Let us try again and see. Let us not hesitate. All right, first attempt goes well. And guys, you know how we do it. You know how we do it always. Patience is key. And guys, let me hope you're locked in. So when I'm explaining an entry, you can easily catch up. By the water. She's gone astray, so far away from my father's daughter. She just wants a life for a baby. She's got to save him. She tell him who love. This is a trading assembly, guys. You're free to ask any trading question. I mean, as you are catching on the good vibes, because also good vibes live here on this stream. We also share trading tips as traders. Feel free to ask anything about trading. Beautiful. We're having some movements in our direction already, guys. Okay, nice. Let me see you type congratulations. To our first participant. It has moved well. Let me see you type congratulations. How do I join? There's a donation link in the description. You can use that, guys. All right. Yes, of course, in trading, timing is key, very, very key. Timing is key in trading because a delay or early entry sometimes can cause the trade going against you even when it could lock in the profits. So let's see if we can get more entries. We are having some upward movement here. Maybe you need to be on WhatsApp. Why do you choose to? I feel like Telegram is better to use. And you know, Telegram can contain bigger numbers compared to WhatsApp. And I don't want to be limiting you guys. I don't want to be limiting you, so that's why I use Telegram. So for all those that want to write to me, there's a link in the description for my Telegram, and you can also join my Telegram channel. Guys, you can see here the structure. We are having some pullback. So let us see how it goes. All right, it moved well. And the market has not yet broke the previous low. So we can still anticipate it could still be bullish unless it breaks that strong low that pushed the market to create a high. Then we switch structure. Okay, now it has broken it. So let us see how it goes. Let us see how it goes.
What's going on? If you 3 weeks now that I've been in this city, you said there's going to be plenty of fish, but there's no fish yet. What's going on now?
So guys, whenever you understand market structure, you do realize it is key. Here the market pulled back, it failed to break the previous low, then it broke it again. That was clear signal to sell because bears were in the market and our traders closed in a plus. Use me, baby. Hey. All right. So let us look for our final item, guys. Let me hope you guys are locked in so that when I'm explaining a move, you can easily catch on. Then what's the use? Then what's the use? Excuse me. Oh my, excuse me, guys. Wow. That was really coming hard for our entry. Let me see you comment. Congratulations. Let me see you comment. Congratulations. Yeah. Locked into the mass. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Keep locking in, guys. Yeah, let me see you type congratulations. No, I am not ill, guys. I'm perfectly fine. It's just that sometimes I get some irritation. Alright, that means and you know how we do it? Everything goes to the participants, so that's what exactly we are doing right now. Oh my love. Oh my guys, this participant told me, Ivy, last stream I ate a whole pizza watching you. Today I got another one ready. Wow. So let me hope Crown, Mr. Crown, you have really enjoyed your pizza tonight. Let me hope you have really enjoyed your pizza. So let us move on to the next. The blue lines you're seeing, guys, it is Keltina channel indicator. Yes. I use it to back it up with my strategy, which is pure price action. That's how we do it here. Here we trade with a strategy, and you're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. We are on to our next participant. Let us see how it moves. Now they always say congratulations. They never had a better vacation. Look, we made it. Yeah, we made it.
I'm jumping out the pan, yeah. And I know I sound dramatic, yeah. But I know how to have it, yeah.
For the money, I'm a savage.
And you sure I got it, yeah. I'm so rich, 20 badges, yeah.
But they didn't know me yet, huh?
Everyone wanted, I got they important. Love ain't mean nothing when I saw my door, yeah. Everyone counting on me, drop the ball, yeah. Everything custom like I'm at the bottom, yeah.
If you fall with it, put your hand into the sky. I kinda make sense when I got millions on my mind. As you are waiting before entering, what are you observing? Whenever you see me waiting and I'm not executing, of course, I'm observing the market in line with my strategy. I'm understanding, okay, if I'm in an uptrend, I have to look for structure. Wait, let us first take these buys here, guys. Yeah, you can clearly see here the market has been trending, moving upwards. So I'm executing a buy trade here in line with the strategy or the trend. Like you know, here we always trade with a trend. Now we made it, and that trade has really closed in a plus. And sometimes whenever I'm watching the market, I'm just waiting for maybe a candlestick pattern that is in line with what I anticipate. Basically, whenever you're waiting and watching the market, you have to watch it in line with your strategy. So you're looking at the charts, looking for your strategy to make sense. Where it makes sense, that's where you execute from. Angela Post, Malone. See on TV, so said she gon' change. Then they say I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. The minimum for donation is 500. Made it. This win. Understand it. Oh my, you guys really are so interesting, and I love you for that. I love you for that. You're so interesting. So let us lock in. Let us lock in. Let us move. We are having some movements here, so let us see how it goes. All right, let's see. What you plan to do is exactly what you should do. Lock yourself somewhere and lock in. And actually, by the way, I feel like if you give yourself a week and you're doing what you're planning to do, you're gonna see some change. So after learning, whatever you learn, you have to practice it, guys. You do not just get information and just leave it there. You practice it on the charts. Whatever you learn, you go on the charts and look out for them. That's how you get better. You know, trading is a skill that you build with consistency. So as we are locked in, let us look for an entry. The music you're playing can make you win. Of course, you have to play something that is going to motivate you. Or whenever you're trading, you have to create a serene environment. Understand? Okay, we have to take it again. Wait. So you have to create a serene environment where you will not be distracted. It is just you and the market. Trevor, share the strategies that you have built. Tell us the strategies that you have built. All right. Let me see you guys type congratulations. This has worked. This has moved well for us. Let me see you type congratulations. Hands go up. Understand there. Yeah, let me see you type congratulations to our participant. Trevor, you said you have built some strategies and they are good for you. Please share with us. This is a trading assembly. We are here to share experience. Yeah, so let's see as we move on to our next. Everybody's hand go up. Understand there. Thank you, AR. All right, guys, someone asked about how do I use the indicator. First of all, reminder, I do not base only my entries on the indicator. I back it up with the strategy, but whenever I'm looking out to the indicator, I look out for breakouts. So if we get a breakout to the downside, I'm going to anticipate that the market is yet to switch bullish. The market is yet to switch bearish. So I understand market structure. Is it really in line with the breakout? Are we having the market moving in series of lower highs and lower lows? Is there any candlestick pattern that is bearish? And if we get a breakout to the upside of the indicator, you anticipate buyers in the market, but you do not rush to conclude that it's already confirmed. You first understand its structure. Is structure already giving you signals that it is shifting bullish? So once you get that confirmation, that's when you start executing buy trades in line with what you have confirmed. Boy, you belong to me. Yeah, it's all about magic. Let's see how it goes. Easy gonna take precaution. I'll make you fall in love. I got the recipe. Excuse me. Guys, let us look in for our next. How do you create strategies? Okay, let us first see our entry goes. Let us see how this goes. I'll get back to you. Let us see. Wow. You know how, guys, I always tell you I love executing trades and they really go in my direction immediately. Why you belong to me? I got the recipe. And why you belong to me? Oh my, this is some crazy movement there. All right, let's see how it goes. All right, we are moving smoothly, guys. Alex Scott, I see you. Good to have you. I want to be. What? Okay. There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using. DJ Ivy in the building, cause why not? Yeah, but this is a trading assembly, guys. Keep asking those trading questions. I'm gonna get to them. I'm gonna answer them. I want to be, but let us first get an attempt. Let us first get a move here. What are buyers doing in this? Okay, let's see. Beautiful. Okay, guys, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations to our participants for tonight. All right, I saw someone asking, how do you come up with a strategy? Basically, a strategy is a combination of all things that you have learned about trading. You put them together. So basically, that is your strategy. Everything you have learned about trading, and you're always looking out for them in the chart. So my strategy comprises of understanding the market trend. Am I in an uptrend? Am I in a downtrend? It also involves understanding, you understand market structure, and with market structure you understand if it's an uptrend, then it is the market is moving in series of higher highs and higher lows, and it is breaking previous highs continuously. That is an uptrend. And for downtrend, you understand market structure is moving in series of lower highs and lower lows, and it is continuously breaking previous lows and maintaining highs. You also back it up with candlestick patterns. There are very many candlestick patterns that I look at: engulfing patterns, pin bars, shooting star, inside bars. So that's how you come up with your strategy. Whenever you come on the charts, you're looking out for those things because that is your strategy. Let me hope I've answered you, my friend who asked that. That's how you come up with your strategy. So let's get on to our next. Mm-mm-mm. Entries, how do you decide them? So if you are in the market and your market structure is bearish, that is the first confirmation. Please. If you are in a market, for example, now we're moving downwards, but it's like market is switching structure. So if you are in a downtrend, it's already confirmed that market structure is in series of lower highs and lower lows. And whenever you're in a downtrend, you look out for sell trades. Then the other thing you can look out for, maybe you see a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. That is another confirmation. So executing a sell trade there, it is how you see your entries. Basically, you see your entries based on your strategy. That is it. You don't just look at market structure and you leave it out there. If you, after understanding market structure, then you start looking entries based on the structure that you're seeing. All right, you're welcome, dear. If you got it, that's how we do it here. So let us see if we can get another. And it's yeah. You've been having real bad dreams. Guys, when this song came out, I was so young, and I don't know why I was singing love songs at that age when I was so young and I didn't know about love. Guys, this is a pullback trade. Let us see how it goes. We are just catching on a pullback. All right. It really moved well for us. So let us see if we can get another attempt. No, I didn't know anything about love, guys. I really don't know why I was so invested in love songs. Oh my god, where is this momentum coming from? Damn. We get taken out on our final attempt, guys. Let us move on to the next. Our pullback trade has been wiped out. We can learn to love again. Yeah, that's why it's always nice to trade with the trend, because most pullback trades, whenever the trend is moving, it is usually that if it's an uptrend, buyers are strong. So whenever you're taking a pullback trade, it is kind of risky. It is riskier when you're going against the trend. But if you can spot an opportunity, don't hesitate to take it. Okay, this one is in line with the trend, so let us see how it goes. Already moving in our direction. Alright, that moved fast, that moved fast. Oh my god, guys, it's one attempt. So let me see you type congratulations. That really moved so fast for us. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations, guys. I came to win, to survive, to conquer, to prosper, to fly. Yeah, let me see more congratulations in the comments, guys. I am not the next generation. Jason Kanye. All right. Thank you, Trevor. But I'm not flying anyway. I'm still locked in here with you guys. We are still locked in here with you guys. To fly. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. I came to win. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. I came to win, to fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise, to fly. Let's move on to our next. Okay. This really moved well. Thank you. I love you too. I love you too. I love you too, Daniel. I love you too. House of Hard Knocks. Good to have you always there. Feel lonely. Guys, let us look for a second attempt. When I'm drinking. When I'm drinking. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. Hey. You trade every day, of course. You can't call yourself a trader when you trade once in a while. Traders show up every day. Look at your charts, of course. And I'm always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time, so you can always come, catch up good vibes. Yeah, let me hope you guys heard that. You can't call yourself a trader when you look at your charts once in a while. A serious trader looks at their charts every day. Bite me, that excite me. He said it's my pussy. If you're in it, do it precisely, cause I'm a millionaire. Pussy pricey. Guys, we have got some good movement here, and it's already in our direction. So let us see. Okay, let me see you type congratulations. I really love entries that I execute and they immediately go in my direction. Let me see you type congratulations, Karin Kaista. Good to have you. Good to have you all. One thing about life, there is time for everything. Of course, yes, every day you have to look at your charts, but you plan for your enjoyment also, guys. You plan for your enjoyment also. How is it pissing you off, Cameron? Let us move on to our next.
Love in 1,000 different flavors. I wish that I could taste them all tonight. No, I ain't no database, so you should bring all your friends. I swear to all of y'all my type.
Excuse me. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Karin Karista, good to have you. If you want to learn, just log in on this stream because I'll be sharing my strategy. And of course, if you have not subscribed, you better subscribe because I'll be dropping more videos about my trading strategy. So the key is to log in.
Bad girls go swallow la la. Bust down on my wrist in it, bitch. My pinky ring bigger than this. Matter how Beverly Hills.
So let us see how this goes. Guys, patience is key. Patience is key. So let us wait and see if we can get an entry.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la. Swalla la la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la.
Okay, guys, first attempt goes well. Let us see. That's a problem of trading ICT. If you don't have a fair value gap in the charts, waiting forever. That's true. But Cameron, actually, price action strategy really works well for Binance. I myself, when I see a forex trader, I think my strategy also involved a little bit of ICT, but with binary option, this is price action really works well for me as me. Price action, since remember with binary options, if you really set your expiration time, if you set your expiration time like 15 seconds, some of the concepts of ICT you may not get to see them, but pure price action, since it is easier to apply them on a lower time frame, it always works out for you. Guys, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations to our participants. So price action to the moon. Someone comment price action to the moon. Yeah, praise. I see you. Guys, let me see you type congratulations. Baga she wa Netflix and chill. Yeah. If I broke now my business, I like it for the night. All right, as long as you're locked in, because we don't want to leave you behind. I don't want to be explaining a move and you're off. So let us look for more moves, guys. Oh my god, this is going against us, guys. All right, you get movement in our direction. We have to try again now. I joined you for tea. All right, when I'm done here, but for now we are still locked in, looking for another entry. All right, buyers are making some movement. Wow, let me see you type congratulations. We are having some crazy moves there, a lot of rejection, but at least we got locked in. Let me see you type congratulations to Catalyst Cat, guys. That was some crazy move there. Jerome, good to have you. There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. My strategy is price action and market structure is king for me. I love getting those turning points from the market. How long it will take to understand? It will not take you long if you are really consistent and you're locked in. Me, I believe from my own experience, it took me long because I wasn't really so consistent. Yeah, because the moment I locked in, actually things made sense. But then I was just, when you believe you are a trader, but you can go a week without looking at your charts. I don't think that you are a trader. You're just someone trying out on trading. But if you lock in and you're consistent, the journey is a little bit shorter. than ever.
And I swear that every day you get better. You make me feel this way somehow. I hope you know, darling, your love is more than worth this we know. We come so far, my dear. Look how you go. And I want to stay with you until we're alone. Just say you won't let go.
Just
Say you won't let go. I wanna live with you.
even when we are ghosts.
'Cause you were always there for me when I needed you most. I'm gonna love you till my life is over. I promise till death we part, making our vows. The sorrow is over you. Now everybody knows that it's just you and me till we're alone.
Guys, I am trading binary options. Yeah, I'm trading binary options. Please don't take breaks from the screen because I feel like it gets worse. It gets worse whenever you take a break. It gets worse. So don't take a if you are to take a break, it should be a day or two, but don't take a long break of like a week. It really affects your skill because the more you're consistent, the more your skills actually get better and refined in trading. That's why protecting your capital as a trader is key. You have to always have something. You have to always have something to trade. Okay, I see very many guys on a break. Yeah, but guys, listen to my song. I love it. As we are looking for more entries. Where you go, we this close forever and ever. Come on, bye. Guys, if you really ask anything about, if you commented and I didn't see your comment, you can comment again. Yeah. Let's see. And we make the room. I'm really suspicious that anyone who sees you. Oh my god, guys, are you seeing this candle here? We stood no chance. We stood no chance. Let us refund and try again. That was a crazy candle there. All right. Oh my, that's so crazy. You guys are crazy. Let us see if we can get a move. I'll not lie, guys. Sometimes you comment stuff and I have to laugh. On every table, I say you asleep. Guys, you have locked in some profit there. Be this close forever and ever ago. We have locked in some profit there. Gold turned red. What do you mean? What do you mean, Trevor? I don't got you. Let us look for another item. Lover. Okay, guys. Yeah, we're listening to Taylor Swift as we're looking for more moves. Of course, it's my song. Of course, I love Taylor Swift music. When I'm in my calm DJ era, I listen to Taylor Swift, guys. Especially if I'm like having headsets on, I prefer listening to such music. Okay, let us try to continue with this up movement, but oh my, sellers are trying to say no. Damn, sellers have invalidated our trade. Okay, let us move on to the next. Losses are part of the game. We get taken out there. Let us see if buyers are really going to move with their continue with the trend, because by structure movement, the low was not yet taken out. Like guys, how I told you, whenever you're looking at the market and you're really trying to understand market structure, actually you have to also, especially with break of structure, you really have to confirm it with the candle closure. As you can see here, we had some deep pullback, but still the market didn't take out the low and it has switched back to its trend, which is bullish. So candle closure, whenever you're looking at market structure, is key, especially with break of structure. Let me hope you guys really get that, because it's so important with market structure. Lover, I'll never end up with you. Let's be over dramatic and true to my lover. Yeah, it was a perfect entry, but with trading, we have no control over the market. The entry could be so in line with your strategy, but still you get taken out, because the market is the market and it is unique. It is unique. So that's where risk management comes in to save your account. All right. Oh, yeah, also patience is key in trading. Actually, patience is discipline. Lover. So let us look for our next attempt, our final attempt for tonight. All right. All right. Come, so can we don't pick up? Okay, that closes in a plus. Let's see how it goes. Let us see how it goes. Then folded. So let me see, type congratulations, guys, because it has moved well for us. It has moved well for us. If this is good enough for you. Sarah, it's good to have you. I see you all. Let me see you type more congratulations as we move on to our next. Help your clothes, I have them folded. All right, we move on to our next. Then folded. We are really having some upward movement here, and you know, guys, how we do it. We follow that trend. But if we get an opportunity to take a pullback trade, we take them. If you are really a beginner, I do not advise you to take entries that are against the trend. You have to leave those for pro traders or guys who have some good experience in the market. If this is good enough for you. If this is good enough for you. So let us see how it goes. Guys, we already mid-month. Are you still sticking by your trading goals? Are you still sticking by your trading goals that you set? Actually, it is those things that move us, it is those things that separate us. Stop. You become a professional trader or a serious trader by having a trading plan, a risk management plan in line. You know how we do it, because it's not only about the strategy. You should also have that. So let's see. Never call me lucky. Okay, let's see how it goes. One, two. Okay, guys, we are in with our first attempt. Let us see how it goes. Buyers better push the market up. Nice, nice. And you know how, guys, I love it when I execute a trade and it immediately goes in my direction. And never. All right, guys. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. It's always nice to have you all. The broker I'm using, or the trading platform I'm using, it is Pocket Options Broker, and there's a link in the description for it. There's a link in the description for my Telegram channel. You can join. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel because more videos are coming up. Yeah, you can write to me via Telegram. There's a link in the description. If you want a trading bot, there's a link in the description. You can reach out to Skynet bot, Skynet support team, and you get a free trading bot. Thank you guys for always locking in every night. We are always here at 8 p.m. UK time. So tomorrow, same time, we are here. And please be consistent and look at your charts. Because why not? That's how it should be. Good night. I love you all. Bye. Much love, guys.